Okay, do not judge me. I'm about to teach you something. If you are preparing for a multiple choice question exam, I know you probably already have anxiety because you're already thinking about what answer you should select before you even take the test. Look, I got you. I'm going to teach you right here, right now, exactly how to pass your next multiple choice question exam. But before I do, hi, my name is Veronica. I am a certified teacher. I'm an exam prep expert. I am the founder of Help Me Pass and a proud graduate of Howard University. Look, before I became a certified teacher, I took a total of 5 exams, all multiple choice, well, except one. One was a written exam. And look, there's something that I noticed about multiple choice exams. I'm going to teach you right now. Pay attention. Number one, there's always one option that is completely wrong, okay? That's that option right there at the top left, okay? It has nothing to do with the question at hand. And if you understand that there's always one option that's completely wrong, you will pass your exam. Number two, the opposite trap. There's always an answer choice that is the opposite of the correct answer. You think that it's correct because when you study your exam content and you learn about your different concepts, you learn about the opposites of those concepts as well, because a lot of times the opposites are paired together, like the sun and the moon. Then they're similar to the correct answer, but it's still the incorrect choice. And this is where you have to pay attention to detail. You have to get technical. Look, I don't know why we get technical with everything except when we're learning. If someone owes you money and they owe you $209, and they give you $200, you're going to say, where are my other nine? You're being technical because technically they did give you back your money. It's $9, right? But this is exactly the mindset that you should have when you're preparing for a standardized exam, especially if that exam is going to help you elevate and go to the next level. So those are the decoding the trap options right there on the left. Then on the right, I want you to think about, okay, what strategy am I going to use to select the correct answer? You're going to be technical. When you study, you're going to master the formats by looking at these different formats. And what I want you to do is I want you to go and get a practice test and look at what we just discussed on the left here. Completely wrong, the opposite trap, and then similar but incorrect. And I want you to look at your answer choices and you will notice that all three of these options exist. And then the fourth option will be the correct answer. So I also want you to make sure that you choose precision over intuition. Sometimes you may think it's right, but if you get very precise, that answer that you think is correct is actually wrong. Look, all of these strategies that we just discussed, I'm going to be teaching you these plus many more in my 6-week exam preparation academy starting April the 6th. For 6 weeks straight, I'm going to be teaching you step by step exactly how to pass your next big standardized exam on the first attempt. And let me be clear, this 6-week exam prep academy is not for everybody. It's for those who are serious about earning their professional license and going to the next level in their career. If you're not ready to go to the next level in your career yet, or you're not serious about passing your exam, you know what? Don't even bother. But if you are serious, I want you to message me the word serious and I'll send you the details on the 6-week exam preparation academy. Again, I'm going to be spending 6 weeks with you, teaching you live, step by step, exactly what to do to pass your exam and earn your license on your very next attempt. Okay? I'll see you soon.